In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text in Capcut. Whether you're creating content for social media, a personal project, or just exploring video editing, adding text can enhance your video and convey your message effectively. So let's dive in. First, open your web browser and navigate to Capcut.com. This is where all the magic happens, and Capcut's platform is a user-friendly interface that anyone can easily access and start using. Once you've landed on the homepage, you'll want to choose a canvas size for your video. Canvas sizes are important because they determine how your video will display across different platforms, so pick one that complements your goal, whether it's landscape, portrait, or square. After selecting your canvas, it's time to import your video. Go to the File section and click on the video you want to use from your media library. Double check that you've chosen the correct file, and once it's uploaded onto the timeline, you can start the editing process. Video editing is all about layering your elements in a coherent manner that guides the viewer's eye, and Capcut makes this easy. The next step is to click on the text menu. This feature allows you to begin the process of adding text to your video. Once you're in the text window, you'll see an option to add body text. This is your blank canvas where you can add any words or phrases to enhance your video. Think about what you want your audience to take away from your video. Is it a title, a quick reminder, or a call to action? Keep in mind that the text should be clear and easily readable. To ensure the soundtrack doesn't overshadow your text, you should adjust the audio in your timeline. This is a good practice to balance the audio levels if the script involves background music or dialogue. Reducing the audio level will allow your text to be more prominent and not get lost in the mix. After that, click on the text box and start typing. Consider your word choice carefully and how they complement the video content. When you're happy with what you've typed, you can then move on to styling your text. Capcut allows you to change the font, size, color, and even add effects like shadows or outlines to make your text pop. This customization is what makes your video stand out, offering a creative touch that can captivate your audience. Once you've edited your text to perfection, review your video. Check for spelling errors, readability on different screen sizes, and ensure that the text enhances rather than distracts from your video content. And there you have it. You're ready to take your video from good to great with the power of text. Keep experimenting and exploring new ways to make your content engaging. Thanks for watching and happy editing.